Hello, everyone, and welcome to our guide on the Service Trust Portal, your comprehensive resource for understanding Microsoft's commitment to security, privacy, and compliance in the cloud. But before you begin with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss an update from us. So, let's talk about Microsoft Service Trust Portal. This portal is like one-stop shop for everything about security, privacy, and compliance for Microsoft's cloud services. Whether you're already using Microsoft Cloud Services or just thinking about it, the Service Trust portal is a helpful resource. This portal gives you detailed information about how Microsoft keeps your data safe, respects your privacy, and follows the rules. This helps build trust by showing you exactly what steps Microsoft takes to protect your data. It also offers various resources to help you use the Service Trust portal, including easy to understand documents and different support options if you need help. Now let's move on and discuss some features offered by Microsoft Service Trust portal. The first is compliance documentation, in which you can find detailed information about how Microsoft services stick to different rules like GDPR, ISO, HIPAA, and more. Then you can access audit reports and attestations that shows how Microsoft follows these rules and meets the requirements set by regulators. Then security and privacy resources. You can also find resources, guidelines, and best practices to understand how Microsoft protects and manages your data. Then in data protection resources, you can explore information on data protection features, tools, and controls available in Microsoft services, helping you safeguard your data and comply with relevant laws. Then finally, in trust documentation, you can access additional documentation and resources reaffirming Microsoft's commitment to trust, transparency, and the protection of customer data. Now let's move on and briefly explore the Microsoft Service Trust portal. So this is the Microsoft Service Trust portal. Here on the top, if you click on search, you can find any specific documents or information you like. Then here in the first section, you see certification, regulations, and standards. This is a part of the Service Trust portal which gives you information about the rules and standards that Microsoft follows to keep your data safe and compliant with the laws. Now if we scroll down, the next section is reports, white papers, and artifacts. Here you can find documents that explain how Microsoft handles security and compliance. These resources help you learn from Microsoft's expertise to improve their own security. Then we have industry and regional resources. This section offers information specific to different industries and regions. It helps organizations understand and follow the rules and standards that apply to their particular area and industry. Then finally, we have resources for your organization. This area provides practical tools and advice to help organizations protect their data, follow regulations, and manage security risk effectively in today's digital world.